Alright guys, in this video we're going to show you how to make an arc for our second example. So what I'm going to make an arc that makes a kind of like a smile here down towards the bottom of the face here. So an arc is used very similar to an ellipse, and that the first four variables are measured the same way. We have the x-axis for our first variable, our y-axis for our second variable, the width for the third variable, and then the height for the fourth variable. So let's try to see if we can make an arc here. I have a already set fill color, and I'm going to create this arc here on line 10. So I start off with the tag arc, A-R-C, put in my parenthesis. And so since I know that this face is right in the center of the page, I'm going to place this arc also right in the center of the page. So I'm going to go 200 along the x-axis. I'm going to bring it down to 225 because I don't want it right in the middle, like where the nose would be. I want it a little bit lower. Next thing, I'm going to make this arc 150 pixels wide. So pretty wide. Obviously, our circle is 200, so I don't want it to reach the edges. I want to have a little bit of space. And then the height, I'm going to have it as 100 pixels. Now, the only two things that are different here is the arc location. So remember, your arcs, the fifth number, is the starting point. Now, our arcs will start at 0, and it goes counterclockwise all the way around to 360. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start my arc here at 0. I'm going to bring it down through 90, and then up to 180. Okay, so type in my 0, comma, 180, close it up, and there you go. You can see my nice smile here. Again, this is at 0. This would be about 90, about 180. If I brought it up here, it'd be 270, and obviously all the way over to 360. So if you take a look at this, let's say if I only want a half a smile, you guys can see about 90. You guys can figure that out. If I want it up here at 180, where we saw before, you guys can see I'm almost closing in like on a Pac-Man look. And there you go. So hopefully this helps out with creating arcs. Again, the two most important things here are, one, to remember that arcs are very similar to ellipses, and then secondly, the way that they're measured here. Okay, and that is important here. Again, 0 starting here, and it goes all the way around. One other thing, let's say if you wanted to start it at 90, there you go. This would be the starting point, and it went to 180. Obviously, you could bring it up to 270. There you go. Let's say 270. And there you go. So there's a lot of different things. If I wanted to flip it all the way around, I could say 180 here. And then I could bring it all the way over to 360. There you go. So hopefully this helps you out. I'm going to return this to 180 so you guys could see this. And give it a try. If you have questions, please let me know. Best of luck.